Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can add mobile number in Temu. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar. Now type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the search results will be shown right in front of you. Just click on the first search result, that is Temu. And when you have clicked there, now you just have to look in the navigation bar in the top right hand side. There will be order an account button. Just keep an order an account button, and when you have clicked there and this interface is shown to you, you just have to look in the left hand side. There are a list of many things. You just have to scroll down until you see account and security button. Just click there and account and security section will be open right in front of you, and there is mobile phone number section, and in the right hand side of mobile phone number text there is add button. You just have to click on the add button and you need to add your mobile phone number, and you will be able to add mobile phone number this easily by clicking on the submit button. So this is how you can easily add mobile number in Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.